flicker like a fever dream. Shadows crawling in a moonlit stream. Heartbeats echo in the empty street. Lost souls wander feeling incomplete. Cracked asphalt, whisper secret soul. Stories lost but never told. Neon glow paints the haunted air. Silent cries hang heavy everywhere.
Whispers turn to morning light. Together we'll transcend this night. I was quiet for so long, didn't feel much at all. Then you came along, something started to fall, like a wall inside me, breaking piece by piece. I can barely breathe when you're close to me. What did you do to me? Can't you see what's happening? I'm not who I used to be. Feel it rising, can't escape it. You walk it up, you walk it up inside. Every touch, every word sets off something wild. Never thought I'd hurt like a frightened child, but this feeling's growing, taking over me. There's no way of knowing who I'm gonna be, what am I becoming? Everything is rushing, feel my heart just running. Can't hold back, let it begin. You walk it, you walk it, you walk it up inside.